In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on PayPal without any fees. Now, in order to send PayPal without a fee, you need to meet specific requirements on PayPal's fee structure. And here's how you can do it. So number one is you want to use the family and friends option whenever you are sending money. So I'll demonstrate you guys that in a second. But what you also need to do is you need to fund with PayPal balance or a linked bank account. So you need to use either a linked bank account or your PayPal balance in order to avoid fees. And next up, this will only work if you're sending within the United States. If you're trying to send money to like different countries and stuff like that, then it will actually do it like a transaction fee, guys. So make sure that the transaction is in US dollars and that it doesn't require multiple currency conversions. So now that you have that out of the way, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and send your money over to an individual who is in the United States. And then you guys can go ahead and select on the amount of money you want to send to your recipient. And again, you want to make sure that you do send money to someone you do trust, because if you actually send money as friends and family, then you are not able to refund it or anything like that. So again, you only want to do this process if number one, you trust the person you're sending money to, and number two, they live in the United States. Both of you also need to live in the United States, so keep that in mind. But all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just press on next, and then go ahead and select on your payment method like you normally would. And you will notice that over here, it will automatically select goods and services. And you basically want to go ahead and change that to for friends and family. And basically, whenever you do send the payment and it's friends and family, it will reduce fees, and then it will basically just make the process significantly easier. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.